Hello Pinkies, this is from again and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I braided my hair. I did a whole video, like a whole video vlog about me braiding my hair, me getting my scrunchies and then everything, but it got deleted mistakenly by me. But I'll show you all my hair when I'm done dressed. So today is a get ready with me while I escort my mom to go cut her hair. Yep, and I'll probably get my nails done. So without further ado, let's go pick up my outfit. I don't want anything. It's just a hair salon. So let me just fix my hair. But it starts slowly like watching. This is what I use to like acid. It's actually good. Makeup on. I'm gonna be using my mascara, my lip something, my lip gloss, lip liner, black and brown. It's time to use the lip gloss. It's very glossy. It's given. Now I should put on my glasses. Yeah, no, I have an eye problem. In case I forgot to vlog that I'm about to enter the car because my mom was giving me pressure. But anyways, here we are on our way going. I vlog for my YouTube. I'm actually done with my nails. I don't know if you can see, but I'll put a picture of it. I'll put a picture of it there. This is it. So nice and very cute, very demure. Yes, I'm actually at a restaurant. Yeah, about to have our lunch. have to order our food because I'm starving. Like, look at my nails, girl. They even held my hair for me because my hair was a little bit, out of control. We just got out of the pub and we are going home. But I didn't get my fried rice because it wasn't ready. But we are hoping to get somewhere else. Yeah. Finally got my food package, so we are going home now. Okay, yo, I'm back home. So that's all for today. I hope you love this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment for more videos like these. Today was really I wouldn't say stressful, but I was sitting at one place for long, so I was literally tired. I was even sleeping in the car.